How to archive chats on Instagram. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is you have to open up your Instagram and make sure you are logged in with your account. So here in the home page of Instagram, you can see the message icon in the top right corner. So tap on that. So here you can see the chat. So if you want to archive any chat, then you have to turn your profile to the professional mode. So for that you need to go back to your home page, and in the right lower corner you can see the profile icon. So simply tap on that. After that you have to tap on the hamburger option, which is in the right upper corner. So here you have to tap on settings and privacy option. So here you'll be able to see the various options. So you have to scroll down below until you get account types and tool options. So tap on that. After that you have to tap on switch to professional account option over here. So here you have to tap on continue, and here you have to explain any of the profile. For example, I'm selecting the digital creator option. After that you have to tap on done. It will take up to a 30 seconds to finish creating your professional account, so wait until it loads. After that you can select a creator option over here, so tap on next. So here you have to tap on OK and tap on continue. And here you can complete the step of your professional account, or you can either skip it. So here your profile has been converted to professional mode. So you have to go back to your home page, and here you have to once again tap in the messenger account over here. After that you have to tap and hold the chat that you want to archive, and here you'll be able to see move to general options, so tap on that. So after moving on that, you will be able to see the chat has been moved to archive. So by following this simple step, you can archive chats on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.